And well done to all of our finalists in this category. There are 2 highly commended awards this evening in this category. Highly commended goes to Rock Control. SR10 Rockfall Canopy. SR10 is an exposed section of the Kaikoura coastline, bounded by a 110-metre vertical rock face with State Highway 1 running directly below the site. The physical works comprised of drilling of anchor works incorporating TECCO mesh that was installed in 4 locations. Most of this work was undertaken with operators suspended via harness, and to make things even more challenging, completed at night whilst the state highway was closed, allowing the road to open during the day. A 100-metre long self-cleaning canopy made up of 87 steel wire ropes and 14 support posts was erected to protect a newly widened road below. Collaboration and innovation contributed significantly to the successful one-of-a-kind project, with the benefit of early contractor involvement de-risking the project for a very happy client, Nectar. Well done.
Thank you, CCNZ, especially Fraser, you're a legend. And also thanks, Nectar, for we were in Kaikoura but over 5 years. We only finished up a couple of months ago. And thanks to the guys, they had to work night shift and that through winter. It was a bit hard. And especially Strider, who's not here tonight. Cheers, guys.